I love telling stories, and for those who know me know that I talk a lot, that I tell a lot of stories. So I feel like I need to keep sharing, and what better way to do it than with YouTube? Hello and welcome to Artclstudios. I am Hansiel. It's been a year since my last video on YouTube, and I feel like it's time to get back. So in order to do that, I want to invite you guys into a journey with me to create a series of videos. Now in this series of videos, it's going to be many different challenges for me as a creator. Thinking, drawing, speaking. It's going to be a lot of growing. So the purpose of the videos will be to inspire creators to keep making things. So I know a lot of friends, and I know a lot of people, and in myself sometimes, that want to do more, but we are sometimes afraid to create, or something's holding us back. I want to be that little push to help my friends and help my new friends to keep making things, to keep pushing, to keep creating. Each video will be surrounding around a word, and with that word there will be a message. Also with that message there will be a drawing in the background to go with the word, which overall the idea came from the Inktober challenge by Jake Parker. So he gives a prompt of words, and in this prompt we're supposed to draw one drawing a day for the month of October. But I'm pushing it to creating videos with these words and drawing and giving advice. So I know it's gonna be fun. Also in this channel, I would like to keep uploading the videos that I proposed that I was supposed to do last year, but I never got a chance to upload them. Sounds like a lot of work, but I need to get working because I have ideas, I have projects, I need to keep making things. We always have an idea of what the world should look like, and it's hard to see it coming to fruition. But I always think that if you want to see a change, you gotta be the change, and you gotta be an active change. I go by the words "never stop learning for you," and one of the driving factors for your learning needs to be your growth. So I encourage you again to keep learning, but also keep sharing. Keep sharing, keep learning, and keep creating. If you have ideas in the future of what you might want to see in a video as we progress, please share it in the comment. Like the video if you want to join me in this adventure. If you're excited, I am excited. Also, I'll be hosting a drawing class every last Thursday of the month in Bulletproof Comics in East Flatbush if you're in Brooklyn. So I also invite you to come take part in my drawing classes. So everything is going full throttle right now, doing everything at the same time, because that's the only way I know how to work with a lot of pressure. So thank you again for watching, and I encourage you to take my drawing class. It'll be at Eventbrite, artclstudios.eventbrite.com. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.